Hey crochet artist, welcome to my YouTube channel Crochet Like Pro. If you are new on my channel, go and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. I crochet a beautiful sunflower keychain. Firstly, I make 12 chains. Guys, please support me, like, comment and subscribe. Now after finishing this chain, skip the first chain from the hook and make one single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, four triple crochet, one double crochet, one half double crochet and one single crochet. While repeating this process, you will complete the first side of leaf. Repeat the process which you are seeing on the screen. Please support me guys, subscribe my channel and promote my channel and share with your friends. At the ending of the first side of leaf, one side of the leaf is ready. Now it's time to make another side of leaf. Go and comment what I made next. Hide the leftover yarn of the leaf and now leaf is ready. Make magic ring and one single chain. After making one single chain in round 1, you can do one slip stitch, one chain and one another slip stitch in the last same stitch. Repeat this process another side of leaf. I crochet 6 single crochet. Slip stitch in the first single crochet to finish round 1 and pull the thread or yarn. Now I am telling you the round 2 process step by step. You make 1 single crochet, 6 increase stitch. Increase stitch means 2 single crochet into the same stitch. So that's mean total you make 12 stitches in the round 2. एंड यस गाइस, जिसने सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है अभी तक के, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लो और बेल आइकन को दबा दो. And in round 3 you make single chain 1 and make total 18 stitches. Repeat this process until you make 5 round. At the end, tie the knot and cut out the excess yarn. And make another one like this with brown yarn. Hide the leftover yarn between these two and take yellow yarn to make a petals of sunflower. You make 2 chain of yellow yarn, then double crochet, triple crochet, then 2 chain, triple crochet, double crochet into the next same stitch, chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch. Keep repeating the pattern until you reach to the end of the circle. and fill it with some cotton to make a spongy. After filling this, you make last pattern of the flower and your sunflower is ready. Now you take the leaf which you make first and paste it with sunflower or tie it with it as your choice. At the last, add keyring blank.